Welcome to our channel. Today I would like to show you how to clean the headphone jack on a Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. If there is something solid stuck in the jack, you need to remove it with tweezers or another tool, or replace the jack entirely. If it's just dirty and needs cleaning, you'll need a round brush like this, and it's recommended to use alcohol for the process. It should be 100% or 99.9% alcohol so that it evaporates completely after cleaning. And if you don't have something like that, you could also use a regular brush, but it won't clean thoroughly because it's not long enough. But it will still clean a bit, and the alcohol can help us a little. But the best option would be a round brush like this. We have one from a set like this. So you can buy a whole set like this and get to work. So we soak the brush thoroughly with alcohol. Don't be afraid to do it. First, locate the socket right here. Now, carefully insert the cleaning brush all the way into the opening, and proceed to twist it firmly to the right 5 full times, followed by twisting it back to the left for another 5 rotations. Now we move it up and down a few times, then again to the right 5 times, to the left 5 times. We pull out the brush, and now the socket is cleaned. Now we need to leave the phone for about 10 minutes so the alcohol can evaporate and settle so that we can use it and only then turn it on. Yes, that's the best way to do everything. Of course, always with the phone turned off, never when it's on. So as I said, leave it for about 10 minutes, the alcohol will fully evaporate and the socket will be as good as new. Thank you very much for your attention. Please give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.